And staying on cricket, the West Indies are through to the Super 6 stage of the ICC Under-19 World Cup as outstanding performances from Zachary Carter and Shaquan Bell led the team to a 55-run win over South Africa in their Group D encounter in Namibia on Thursday. Carter smashed 8 sixes and as many fours in a 104-ball knock of 114. Jonathan Van Lage was the next best for the Windies with 29 as the team lost their last 6 wickets for just 41 runs. Captain Joshua Dorn also made 20 against J.J. Basson, 5 for 23, and Jason Rolls, 2 for 44. Now in their run chase, Bell destroyed the South African batting lineup as he grabbed 6 for 40. Jamaican Vital Laws picked up 1 for 60. Rolls, who was dismissed by Laws, top scored with 46. With the win, the Windies ended second in Group D with 4 points behind Afghanistan 6 points. They will also take 2 points into the Super 6 phase, having beaten the South Africans.